NCERT class 8 exercise 3.1 question number 7. In question number 7 it is telling this is the figure and here telling find the value of x plus y plus z. x plus y plus z इन तीनों एंगल को x y और z इन तीनों एंगल पे ऐड करने पे इनकी वैल्यू कितनी मिलेगी. ओके. सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो वैल्यू ऑफ x एक्सटर्नल एंगल है x y z w. ओके. If you add the value of x, y, z, w, then what will be its value? Okay, this we have to find out. Let's see. First of all, z. Here z and this angle 1. This angle 1. हम इस angle 1 suppose कर लेते हैं. This is angle 1. This is angle 2, and this is angle 3. Okay. तो angle 1 plus angle z. Angle 1 और z को ऐड करने पे कितना आएगा 180 डिग्री. Because it is forming linear pair, क्योंकि एक ही लाइन से ये एंगल बन रहे हैं. ओके. सो जस्ट लुक हियर सॉल्यूशन. ओके. z प्लस एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 180 डिग्री. क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर. ओके. आर यू गेटिंग नाउ? तो z प्लस एंगल 1, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल 1? 30 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. देयरफॉर z इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 30 डिग्री is equal to 150 degree. Okay. हाँ. x plus angle 2. This angle 2 we have supposed angle 2 90 degree है. So x and angle 2. Okay. It is also forming linear pair. Okay. So just look here again. x plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Okay. Now what is the value of angle 2? 90 degree. Okay. 180 degree. Okay. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. This the value of x is 90 degree. Getting? Now look here. This is 90. This is 30. This is 90. What is the value of angle 3? Angle 3 की value कितनी होगी? It's not given. So we will find the value of angle 3 by using angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So just look here. Angle 1. Okay. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. What is the value of angle 1? 30 degree. Value of angle 2? 90 degree. Value of angle 3 will be what? So let it be angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. 90 and 30, 120 degree. Plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 180 degree minus 120 degree. This will come this side. Okay. That will be, and answer will be 60 degree. Means 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Then here we have find the value of angle 3. Now we have to find the value x. We have find value of x. We have done. Z also done. Okay. Angle 3 we have found. Okay. Now we have to find the value of angle y. So just look here. अब हम y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So just look here. Angle y plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, क्योंकि वो भी हमारे लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. लीनियर पेयर. So y is equal to what is the value of angle 3 here? 60 degree. 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. So value of y is 120 degree. No, but here the question was saying here. Find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay. इन तीनों की वैल्यू को हमें ऐड करनी है. x, z and y है given. Okay. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to what is the value of x? x की वैल्यू कितनी है? 90. y is 120 degree. What is the value of z? z is 150 degree. So add it. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 5 to 7, 7 and 9, 16. Carry 1. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. 360 degree. This is the answer of your first part of question number 7. Now let's see question number 3. Okay. The same way means we have to solve the same way as we have solved the question number A. Same A part of question number 7. Just click here. Here Z given. And here 60. Value of z is here 60 degree. Angle 1 हम suppose कर लेते हैं. Angle 1 है ये. This is y को हम angle. This is angle 2. इसे हम angle 2 suppose कर लेते हैं. This is angle 3, this is equal to 120 degree. We have to find the value of x, y, z. इसे हम angle 4 suppose कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? अब just look here. It is also forming linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle z. Solution में start करेंगे. Angle 1 plus angle z is equal to 180 degree because it is forming linear pair. That is 60 degree. And plus z is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, z is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That is equal to 120 degree. So value of z is 120 degree. Similarly, we will do here, means value of y we will find out. Angle 2, again angle 2 plus angle 2 plus y is equal to 180 degree. How? Because it is also forming linear pair. Linear pair. Okay. What is the value of angle 2? 80 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Again, here we will find the value of x. So angle 3 plus angle x is equal to 120 degree. How? Linear pair. Sorry, 180 degree. Linear pair. What is the value of angle 3? 120 degree. 120 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, our x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. This is the value of x. But now we have to find the value of w also. So just let me rub it. Okay? हम इसे रब करते हैं. अब देखते हैं. Now अब हमें find out करनी है value of w. How will you find out? Just look here. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. First of all, we have to find the value of angle 4. पहले हम angle 4 की value find out करेंगे. क्योंकि because if you don't have this angle 4, how will you find the value of w? Okay? सबसे पहले हम angle 4 की value find out करेंगे. Just look here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. How? Because this is quadrilateral. 4 sides है, ये quadrilateral है. And sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. This is angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is the value of angle 1? 60 degree. Angle 2, 80 degree. Angle 3, 120 degree. Angle 4, we don't know. So write down here angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. Now add it. 120, 60 and 80. What will be? 60 degree and 80 degree. That will be 140 degree. Okay. 140 and 20. Okay. 140 0, 4 to 6. Okay. 260 degree is equal to 360 degree. Sorry. Plus angle 4. Plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle 4 is equal to 360 minus 260 degree. Okay. So what will be its value? That will be only 100 degree. Value of angle 4 is 100 degree. Okay. Now look here. Now we have to find the value of w. Therefore, now हम क्या करेंगे? We have to find the value of w. Angle 4 plus w is equal to 180 degree. How? Because it is forming linear pair. Okay. Now what is the value of angle 4? 100. So 100 plus w is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, w is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. The value of w is 80 degree. But the question is saying here, find the value of ax plus y plus z plus w. We have to add all the value of this external angle ax plus y plus z. सभी एंगल्स के वैल्यू को हमें ऐड करने हैं. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to what? What is the value of x? x की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारी यहाँ पे? 60 degree. What is the value of y? 120 degree. What is the value of w? That is 80 degree. Now add it. 0 0 0 0. Okay. 8 to 10. 0 carry 1. 8 to 10. 10 6 16. 16 6 carry 1. Now 1 1 2 2 1 3. 360 degree. Okay. This is the value of all this. It means when we add x plus y plus z plus w, we get the total value 360 degree. वैसे भी we know that sum of all the external angles, okay, is 360 degree. जितने भी external angles होते हैं, okay, अगर हम उन्हें add करें तो 360 value आती है, okay.